Her smile has Dream Girl written all over it.
You have to keep smiling and be like all so lovely. I try to make up for it with my smile. Hopefully that works. Thanks to Mommy Ujjwala and Daddy Prakash.
But behind that dreamy smile is a star who's unapologetically ambitious.
I believe that this is just the beginning. Super success, lots of love. I think that's what keeps an actor going.
Impossibly reserved.
I'm a very shy person. I take time to open up.
Hardworking, and always raring to go.
I mean, it's hot outside, but then you have to be cool.
Juggling 3 films at one go, she is the busiest actor in town.
I'm going inside while you stay outside. I pity you, man. What a boring life. I hope you guys had a good time waiting outside.
Chasing her for over a month, we tap into the world of Deepika Padukone.
Here is someone who's got all that it takes classically to be a big movie star, and then has the acting prowess that she allows people to mold her the way according to the script and as a director.
That woman works like a machine. She's always on. Like, she doesn't get tired. So at times when I'm tired, I kind of wonder, I'm like, if she's not tired, why the hell am I?
She's someone who has absolutely no airs. I remember I had a baby during the making of Love Aajkal, and she would come to my house for fittings while I was looking after my baby.
I think she's quite funny, and a lot of her goofiness and funniness she doesn't necessarily show. That's what got her that dimple. She's just smiling all the time, and laughing all the time.
She has this persona of a very glamorous girl, but she's very earthy. You know, she is like one of us.
Photographer's delight, it's no surprise that our first day of shoot with Deepika Padukone is on the sets of a photo shoot.
What are you up to today? Tell us a little bit what we can expect. So today we're shooting for People magazine's most beautiful issue, and clearly they've lost the plot. But I'm happy to be on a magazine cover. I love doing photo shoots. It's very, very refreshing and different from being on a film set. And I have a great team that I always work with. I have Anil Chinnappa, who's doing hair and makeup. I have Shalina, who's doing my clothes. And we have Tarun Vishwa, who's one of my most favorite photographers. So it's fun. We listen to music and we just go with the flow. I think I survive on music, you know, whenever I've done interviews, people have always asked me what is my hobby, and music has always been something that I've really, really enjoyed, and different kinds of music. So music is what I survive on, and depending on the theme and the mood, we play that kind of music, and we do the photo shoot.
Hers is a face that has lit up several magazine covers. A face that exudes a rare blend of sensuality and elegance.
I've grown up watching magazines with other actresses, on the cover, and today I get the opportunity to do that. So I think it feels great, but at the same time I believe that it's a result of the work that I do, the films that I do, the characters that I play, and I guess all the love and appreciation that I get is a result of that. So I think I just need to keep my head down and keep focused on my work, And all of this is great, it's fun.
Her first love was always more towards modeling. She would go for ballet classes, and then she would walk the ramp even as child artist. So we could see that her interest was more towards that. So academically she was all right. We were called once in a while to keep us informed of what was happening in school.
I enjoy, dressing up, getting ready, but I think something that I've always maintained is that it can't take away from the person that I am or my personality, which often happens when you're doing like fashion shoots or shooting for fashion magazines. It becomes so much about the fashion, which is great. But I think you can't lose out on the fact that, you have your own identity, and you kind of need to say it more simply, I think, to be able to do looks that you are comfortable in, or that suit you, suit your personality, I think that's very important. I hope you guys had a good time waiting outside.
We're going to follow you to the other event as well.
And so I'll see you there. Are you ready? Yeah? Chalo.
4 changes, 8 hours later, it's finally a wrap. But Padukone's day is nowhere close to ending. As we wait in her vanity van, Deepika changes into an evening gown as she heads out to an award ceremony.
Thank you. Do you want to talk to us a little about your vanity van? It's very girly, very fun. Is that you? I think collectively I probably spend more time in my vanity van or on a film set more than I'm even spending at home. In the last year or so, that's how it's been, and that's how it's going to be for at least the next 6 months. So it's always nice to be in a space that you're familiar with, something that you've done up with your personal touch, so that you feel comfortable.
So is that it? Can you talk to us a little about it?
No. I'm not taking you through my van, it's a very personal space. See you!
And she's gotten herself an award, and quite a quirky one at that.
No? I think it's very sweet. Actually, I haven't even had time to sort of look at it.
What does it say, Deepika?
Grazia Young Fashion Awards 2013, but I can tell you that it's for Cover Girl of the Year.
Where do you go from here? Are you wrapping up your day?
Done for the day. Done for the day. I'm going to go home, have some dinner, and go to sleep. I have an early morning flight to Bangalore tomorrow.
Which is home. So excited. Do you need these breaks once?
It's a sudden break that I got. 2 days because some shoots got cancelled. So I've managed to get 2 days off, and I promised my mum I'll come home and spend some time with them because I haven't spent any time with them. I've actually been missing them a little bit, so I'll go home and spend some time with them.
Bye.
See you.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Despite being the daughter of one of India's most successful sportsmen, it was the world of glamour that attracted Deepika.
Even though I would have personally liked her to be a badminton player, but I knew that she had limitations as a badminton player. She was exceptionally good, and she would stand out whenever she did any shows, or in modeling, or TV ads or print ads. She had a natural flair for that.
Deepika, let me just start off with what your dad said about you. What your dad said was that from a very young age, she was kind of always attracted to glamour and the spotlight. I want to know, do you have any memories of, in your childhood thinking that, oh, badi hoke ek din heroine banungi, or those kind of thoughts?
Well, a little bit. One of my best friends in school, Kavya Anand, her mother, Anila, was and is still one of the leading model coordinators in Bangalore. she used to tell my mother apparently, ki, why don't you get her into modeling and she should start modeling and things like that. And these conversations used to happen in front of me. And my mum, I remember, would always say things like, listen, she's too young, don't put these thoughts in her head right now, we'll think about it later, but let her at least finish her education. That's how it started actually, and thanks to Anila, I managed to do a couple of print campaigns when I was young, and that was sort of my first experience in front of the camera. Offers were pouring in and I was really, really tempted, and Anila also suggested, she said, this is the age to do these things, she can always study later, but don't wait, let her start. And so that's how it all began.
Another day, another event. This time Deepika's fulfilling a brand commitment.
Hello. I pity you, man. What a boring life. Bagna was lovely. Spent a day with my parents, made them happy. Yeah, I mean, I go only for a day, 2 days. So it's nice. I mean, I don't go out much. I'm mostly at home. What are we up to today? So we're here for a Tissot event, a brand that I've been with for 6 years now. I think they spotted talent way before anyone else, and it's one of my first big endorsements that I signed internationally. And in fact, this is Maria from Tissot. Say hello. Hello. And we're tracking the life of a star.
The face of close to 15 brands, today Deepika's at the unveiling of a premium watch brand.
I think she brings tremendous success and she brings tremendous likability. The fact that she is an Indian girl from a normal rooted Indian family who's made this on her own. It's not like she had some godfather, it's not like she's a star kid, and she's gone out there and just by dint of hard work become the biggest star in the country. Obviously it's a story that I think many people can relate to, yeah. Honestly, as a brand ambassador, she's the biggest female brand ambassador in the country today, right? She does more brands, most of them are A-list brands. And I think that our criteria is, okay, if there's a brand that we think she's happy to be a part of, where the money is right, that's all that there is to it.
Post the launch, Deepika spends the rest of the day giving interviews. Meanwhile, we move to her next stop, the famous BR Studios in Juhu, where Deepika is expected to arrive for a dubbing session.
Say hi.
Hi, how are you?
Say hi to this camera
Hello,
and say hi to this camera. Please ask everybody how they're doing.
How are you doing? Hope you're having a good day.
Have some nice conversation with people.
I don't know what to say.
Sharan is kya? Sharan is a very, very important part of Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, and I don't think this film would have been possible without him. He's actually the one thing that's been like consistent and constant through the film.
He's blushing.
And he's always blushing.
The money has reached
And and he's kind of held everybody together, at times when I think everyone, like people were stressful and things were kind of falling apart. He's kind of held everything together. So I'm here now to dub for Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. Although it was primarily sync sound, but sometimes if you have like a generator running, or if you have birds chirping, or like if you're shooting in a sort of crowded place, then the voices are not clear, and then you have to redub some of the scenes. From Veronica to Scholar Nena. Interesting, no? I think people were really surprised when they saw the trailer for the first time, to see me play like this spectacled, simple girl, but it's nice. I think that's always the fun part of being an actor, to do different kinds of films and to play different roles and then to dress up differently. You want to go inside? Yep. Or are you? Well, I'm going inside while you stay outside. See you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
2 hours later.
Ooh, that was fun. I got done with a couple of scenes, and well, we still have a long way to go, but at least I've started. I think a director's main worry is always when the actors haven't started, and I think once you start, then you sort of you kind of get into the flow, and then you finish fast.
Long day
it's just
wrapped up. What's in
long
store?
day done. I have to go home and pack because I'm off to Jaipur tomorrow to shoot for Ram Leela.
You are always packing, aren't you?
Yeah. See you.
See you, Ritika.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
How are you?
Exactly like I said, I think I actually didn't expect it at all.
दीपिका आपको अपने गिरफ्तार कर रखा है और बिहाइंड द बार्स आपको हमारे सवालों का जवाब बिल्कुल सच देना पड़ेगा यहाँ कोई बलम पिचकारी नहीं चलेगी
मैं सिर्फ सच कहूँगी और सच के सिवा और कुछ नहीं कहूँगी.
It's a hot summer's day, and the heat seems to be getting to everybody, even Deepika Padukone.
दीपिका अब तक का सबसे बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट नाम मिला है फिल्म को. फिल्म को रिलीज होने से पहले काफ़ी सराहा जा रहा है, काफ़ी पसंद करा जा रहा है, चाहे उनके गाने हो चाहे प्रोमो हो, वो तो बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट गॉट.
I think it's too soon to tell. I think it's nice to know that people are enjoying the songs, they love the music. People have, taken to the trailer really well. And it would be nice if you can not talk while I'm giving my answer. Thank you very much. If you want to win this t-shirt, specially autographed by me, then follow the instructions. Bye, see you.
But flaunting that famous smile,
Where do we go next?
Deepika shooting back-to-back interviews.
Can you turn around and tell us what you're doing today?
Well, first day, second day of promotions for Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, and I have to run. Miss Qureshi. No, you may not. Hold on. Please, Niloufar Qureshi. Niloufar, say hi. Come on. And Wake Up Sid. Lots of interviews. Waiting for my co-star to arrive. Finishing off all the solo interviews before he comes.
It's hot.
And
It's hot and hours. And how are you dealing?
I know it's very hot, but then you have to keep smiling and be like all so lovely. I mean, it's hot outside, but then you have to be cool. I have to go now. See you.